Let's try the new Cottage color paints. I'm Kathy with Goodson Vintage Treasures and welcome to my channel. Today I'm using the new Cottage color paints in Haint blue, and I'm also going to use the new Cotswolds IOD transfer. First, I'm putting this on a cabinet that I found at an estate sale. I'm going to use the pig part of the Cotswolds transfer. Cottage color paints has a finish in it. It's new from DIY Paint, and even though this looks white, it's really Haint blue. I put one thorough coat on this cabinet, and I think in fact this cabinet may have been cedar. After the first coat, I add a second coat. This new paint is available at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com as well as the IOD transfer. Now, because this transfer is so large, I'm going to need to cut and piece it on in a different way than the way it's designed. I'm going to use the little rubbing tool, and first thing I did was I cut the pig out. I'm going to place the pig on the two doors. An IOD transfer comes with a little sheet on the back and a grid line, and you just put it on your piece and you rub it on like a tattoo. Now this transferred very easy to the new Cottage colors. I did not add a sealer as I usually do for adding a transfer. Once I had the pig transferred, I tried to decide what pieces of the rest of the transfer I wanted to add to my piece. I added the eatery part and the two scrolls to the side. Next, I continued adding pieces of design to the front of the cabinet. I decided the board at the top needed something, so I took my farm animals stamp from IOD and black ink, and I stamped the cow and the sheep at the top board of the cabinet, and I think it made a good look. You can find all the products used here at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com. If you're local, I'm at Main Street Antiques and Design Gallery in Mooresville, and Picket Fence, Antiques and More in Newton, and just around the corner in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for reminders when I make another video.